up? Welcome back to Tinkergineering. Woo! Today we are going to be making a fall/Thanksgiving craft. Super amazing. Oh my gosh. It is going to be dun 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 dun. Drum roll, please. I gave myself my own drum roll. Wow! That was great. Okay, keep going. We're going to be making Tinkergineering. Native American. Tinkergineering. Is that too many nouns? Corn, kind of corny, but we're gonna make it pretty cool. Yeah, we're making corn, people. Oh yeah. Shucking the corn takes lots of concentration. What you'll be needing for this craft is some pipe cleaners, some wire cutters. You will be needing beads for this craft. All right, let's make it. What did the baby corn call his dad? Popcorn. First, you're going to take your pipe cleaners and you're going to kind of twist them together. Okay? So it kind of looks like this. You know what this looks like? A banana. Like the peels and then like the inside. Okay, if you don't get it, I don't blame you. But it looks like a banana. Banana. Okay, so now you're going to start stringing beads on each of these 4 pipe cleaner parts. Technically there's only 2, but think of it as it bending up. Plain popcorn? You can do better than that. Alright guys, so this one doesn't look quite thick enough. So I'm gonna add one more pipe cleaner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and twist that right on. Did you hear about the cornstalk who changed careers? He went into a different field. So I'm gonna go on ahead and grab these all and just twist them together. So twist, twist, twist. Twist, twist, twist. Twist, twist, twist. All right, and you can see this kind of makes the shape of corn, which is actually really amazing. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and fan it out. And there you go. What do you call 2 corns, 2 that are best friends? Earbuds. So I'm going to show you how to tuck a safety pin, super safe, not really, still sharp, through the beads and attach it to your shirt. All right, so you're going to go ahead and poke it through one of the beads. Make sure it comes out. You don't want it to be lost in a sea of beads. Ooh, super cool. Walk the runway. Now you're ready for the Thanksgiving dinner that your parents are making. Or grandparents. You're ready for your family Thanksgiving dinner, okay? All right. Wear this along and you'll be the cool one. Woo! Hey guys. Oh, hi Aunt Dorothy. Yes, I made it. Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh, hi, Uncle Steve. Yes, I made it. Yeah, so great. Yeah. So, you're ready to rock that dinner, man. Did you hear about the farm dog who liked to strip ears of corn? He was part husky. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tinkergineering. And happy Thanksgiving! What do you call a single kernel of corn? A unicorn!